Here's how to recover the access to a LinkedIn account that has been temporarily or permanently restricted by completing identity verification, submitting an appeal, or resolving the issue that triggered the restriction in less than 3 minutes. Today, I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to complete LinkedIn's official recovery process and improve your chances of getting your account back. First, attempt to sign into your restricted LinkedIn account. This is where LinkedIn tells you why access was limited. Once you're inside, carefully read the restriction notice on your screen. You may see a request to verify your identity, a message about policy violations, or a prompt to submit an appeal. Pay close attention because the next step depends on what LinkedIn is asking you to do. Next, if LinkedIn requests identity verification, select the verification option shown on screen. You may see a verification page or a QR code that opens the verification process on your phone. Then, choose your country and select the type of government-issued ID you want to use, such as a passport or driver's license. After that, take clear photos of the requested ID. Follow the camera instructions exactly as shown. If LinkedIn asks for a selfie verification, complete that step as well. Once finished, approve the sharing of your verification results with LinkedIn. You should then see a confirmation message showing that your verification was submitted. Now, if the restriction is related to a policy issue instead of identity verification, select the appeal option on the restriction page. Enter any requested explanation and provide supporting information if LinkedIn asks for it. After submitting the appeal, look for a confirmation message on screen. Once your request is submitted, monitor the email address connected to your LinkedIn account. LinkedIn may send requests for additional information or updates about the review. If identity verification fails, upload a clear, unexpired government-issued ID and try again. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Review all emails from LinkedIn, try any alternative verification methods offered, submit a support request through the Help Center, provide any additional documents requested, and wait for LinkedIn's response. If your account is restored, remove any automation tools, scraping extensions, or suspicious browser add-ons that may have triggered the restriction. Once everything is set, the LinkedIn account will regain normal access, allowing you to view your profile, connections, messages, and other LinkedIn features again. Following these simple steps makes recovering a restricted LinkedIn account quick and easy.